let's get started. So any questions on the first test case? See, all test cases are passed. 5 test cases, they will run in the order. Okay, and let's go to the next one. Let's automate a login page test. Okay, next. So create a login page test. Even you can do different, whatever the test case you want, it's up to you what you want to do. So I'm just doing a login page test. Maybe I'll copy this home page and we can rename it so that we can save the time. Paste it. I can say login page test. So login page test. Okay. So I'll change it anywhere if you need. Okay, so done. Again, I'm extending to test base class because so we need a home page, we need a registration, we need a login page, and after login, it will go to my account page. So my account page object also you need to create. So where is this? This is the one. So equal to new my account. So page. That's it. So next. So you're going to log out, right? So you need a logout page also. So what is a logout page object? This is the one. So equal to new logout page. So then we from login page, you have to go to forget password page also. So get that forget password page also. Where is that? This is the object. Get that. New forget password page. Okay, so forget password page also done. Okay, so that's the first method. And so first in what I'm going to do, I'll one time I need to navigate to login page. So that means I need to add navigate to login page code in the before class only. So it will be in the home page, right? Home page dot navigate to login page. So one time I am finishing that. So because to just navigate once, that's enough. So you don't need every time to repeat it. Now I need to use this so login page. Login page object reference I have to use for every test method before I need to check this. So wait for the page load. And then so I have to do basically. So let me. So then I have to do the test cases one by one. What are the things are there in the login page? What are the methods we created? Just check that. Okay. Check what are all the methods we created. So what are all methods we created? You need to check that. So can you, how many of you completed till this point?
Yes.
So I don't want this one, maybe if you need, we'll keep it like that, okay? So if you need, we'll keep it. Otherwise, you can. So first login page, open the login page. So what are the methods we have? And we have a get login page URL, do login, navigate to forget password, click on new customer continue button, is new customer header exist, and then, so these are all things you have to verify. So each test case you have to create for each one. Or you want to keep all this verification in one test case also fine. So that is also good. Okay. So you can put like that also, all this verification in one method. So verifying the login page elements. Simple. Okay. So like that also you can do that. I'll write one method for these all verifications. So let's go and write one simple method. So we'll write one simple method to verify all of them. First, so this page, what is this page title, right? Page title, login page URL. But page title, so we didn't take, but we can take it also. That we'll write first one. Verify the login page URL one. Verify the login page URL test. Verify the login page URL test. URL. So how can you verify? So you can use the asset true. So asset true, and you take login page dot. So we got the method, right? There is a method. So that method you call it. So what is that method? So get login page URL, and so dot contains the constants we have stored partial one, constants dot login page fraction URL. So that means this URL contains this value. It will return either true or false. That I am asserting that. That's a one test case, simple test case. Second test case, you can say verify the login page title. I can simply say login page title. Verify login page title test. So what I can do, login page title test. So here you can put login page dot get title. So constants dot login page title. Done. So the third test case, verify the elements, login page elements. I can put simply verify the login page elements. One simple test case. Instead of writing one by one each Boolean command, I can put it here. Verify login page elements test. Okay. So now, what is this? You have to verify all of them, right? So call all of them one by one. Login page. So what are all the methods you call it? Is what is that? Is new customer header exist? Is a new customer header exist? So that is the one test case you can write it. And next one is so one more. Let's add all of them. All the is so things. I think how many we have?
Registration account 4.
So is registration account exist? Is
Returning customer header exit.
Returning customer.
Yes.
Customer header text. Is it done or any other thing?
Login breadcrumb exit.
One more is there?
Yes, sir.
Is
login breadcrumb.
Login breadcrumb exist. Okay, done. So all the Boolean commands I just kept in one method. So that will verify that. Okay. Next. So the actual test cases, so we can start now. So what are the things navigating to forget password page? So just you can verify that. Navigate to even registration page also you can navigate, right? And forget password page you can navigate. So those two test cases, and happy path is login to that. And also empty login test also you can do. And these are the different test cases. Let's go and do that one by one. So navigate to registration page. Okay, it's already there. So navigate to registration page from login page. Navigate to registration page from login. But here you have to use login page object. So what is this method? You need to say click on something, right? Click new customer continue button, right? New customer continue button. Okay, so then wait for so it will go to registration page and wait for that. Then assert the page title. And you can do one thing. You can do click browser back button or home icon, I think. So whatever. So I'll do a click action on the browser back button. So click on browser back button in registration page. In registration page. So there is a method to navigate browser back button. That's it. Okay, so once this test case after it will go to, but after method we didn't write, right? So did we write after method?
No.
So we didn't write, but yeah, you can do that. Basically, it will go to login page. So if you want, you can keep this login page. Instead of this, you can put a login page. Every time it will verify that every test case after. And I can put login case title. Okay, so next navigate to registration is done. Navigate to forget password please. Okay, so navigate to forget password please. Each function you are testing, right? Whatever the, so this is also kind of JUnit also. Every function, whatever you have written in the page classes, so you are checking that whether it is working or not. So quickly finish this. And so you have to put login page dot. So what is the method name we have written? Navigate forget password page. So then, so you have to use forget password reference. Forget password reference. Where is that? This one. Forget password reference you have to use, and it will navigate to that. So assert the forget password page. So maybe page title or whatever you want, you can assert that. But we are verifying that one only. Get title, then constants, and you have forgot. Yeah, so that's the forget password title. Click on browser back button. Okay, click on browser back button. Forget password is. So browser back button means, so you write a forget password page you have to use. Dot navigate browser back button. That's it. And main functionality you have to write. So we have written few of them, but still we have to write a few more, right? Then so main functionality, login. So happy path flow, happy flow you have to write. So log into website and empty login test. So this we'll do tomorrow and we can close it. Yeah. So any questions, please try to complete this and come back. Okay. Any questions before stopping here?
Yes.